That sounded creepy.
It sounds like aliens.
Dude, my fat arm is fat, that's why. No! You gotta fucking Wait a minute.
See my dinosaur. That looks like baby. He's a baby. How sweet.
I know.
But seriously,
Do me.
do that again, go. Oh, you're so cute.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Well, damn you now. You know, like.
It's so damn cute. Damn cute.
Damn cute, man.
Cute. Cute as a button.
You're as cute
Wanna go out with me?
as a button.
You sound like a little dinosaur going. That's so cute.
Double chin.
Double chin. But seriously, do me. Oh, do you like my boobs?
Boobs.
Oh,
Boobs. Boobs. Boobs.
Wiggly.
Oh.
Oh, what were you feeling that? That's bad when I grabbed that in the J earlier. Do you remember when you were sleeping and you kept going?
Gross.
You.
Nasty. Hear me gagging at the thought of you, like this, like that, you know.
Ew.
You see when I'm looking like this, you gotta think, and I don't think you think about the way he thinks, and I know your life is sore as hell. And I know you're oh so sorry, Dad. I truly believe that you're a better man. You take your life and walk away, and your hopes, your dreams,
your
fucking part.
everything. Well, Mama, I
Hope
I dream that you won't leave. So I have a question.
That's so awkward.
I think this video is gonna be old. I think we're gonna come turn it off. Turn me off. On. Who cry? No! No, don't cry. You look fucking ugly when you cry. Oh, little evil dinosaur. Oh, I still love you. I'm sorry. That was nasty.
Double.
That was funny. You were all like, snot! Snot! Snot!
I'm gonna hiccup in a couple seconds because I'm psychic.
It kind of sounds like Maddie crapping.
Except she's more like, achoo!
It sounds exactly like her. We're so pretty.
I know, especially when we do this.
Or this. But we'll never be as bad as that one chick that had the hickey on her
The one
lips.
whose name was I'm Being Sexy on Facebook.
That one. Why are we recording ourselves?
Because we're sexy.
No, we're not.
Sexy. I have Tourette's.
I don't know.
So like,
sometimes I spontaneously turn into Chris Drew. And so does she.
oh my god, what's going on?
Yeah, I'm so scared. You're so pretty.
What is love?